Good morning, folks. Many of you recognize Comet Lovejoy from late 2011. She twisted and turned as she entered the corona and came out clean and smoking, but not before letting everyone see the power of solar magnetic fields. I spent the money to get this article and can honestly say it's as close to revealing electric universe principles as we can expect from scientists who darn well know where the line is. But for Comet Lovejoy, the lines were umbral magnetic fields twerking her tail. The flooding in Europe has been terrible. This is the third before and after shot of German rivers at major flood stage. We have a serious environmental disaster as an oil spill directly into the Ecuadorian Amazon is headed for Brazil. The spill zone used to be one of the region's last untouched areas. Iran claims that generator malfunctions have kept the Bashar nuke plant offline for longer than expected. They were also quick to claim that the recent 7.8 earthquake had nothing to do with the malfunctions. We have confirmed cases of anthrax in India. There are cyanobacterial warnings in both the northern UK and the Sanibel Islands area of Florida. Blue-green algae can kill pets or small children in as little as an hour. Another volcano is erupting in Alaska. Gotta release that pressure somehow as we have yet another day with no big quakes. That makes quite a few in a row, even as the eastern ring of fire is slightly above average. Top weather stories include a new tropical system forming due south of the Baja Peninsula. This could disappear or become a hurricane. Yagi is trying to take a shot at Japan from the south. Folks, forgive my being a homer. You might remember last year when Mother Nature tried to wipe Ohio off the planet with that derecho. Microbursts, hurricane force winds, flash flooding of asinine proportions, and I missed doing the news next day due to the aftermath. Folks, the very word derecho strikes a concerned chord within me, and right now the low pressure over the central states is putting a tremendous spin on the surface level air masses, and as this shifts east tonight, I'll be dead center in the watch zone that experts are calling out for derecho potential. Take no chances if you live near me. That goes a state over as well. This could get pretty terrible tonight. Had another gamma burst last night from the Hercules constellation. Coming to the solar wind, density in orange appears to have its peak around 12 to 1400 UTC. Afterwards it falls while yellow speed and green temperature begin to fluctuate slightly. This shows why density is most important, with the magnetic components deviating at the density peak, inductions returning from nearly nothing at that same time. There was no plasma penetration associated with this event. Snore. Flaring is just not happening, and I was genuinely worried about a sunspot number of 0 before a brand new active region popped up on the southern hemisphere. It has a beta polarity, but is small and headed for the limb, so she'll need to hurry if she aims to change the X-ray flux. Umbral fields have calmed, but done so in a peculiar shape. Even still, the coronal hole incoming on the south is unmistakable and will face us in a few days. We'll pull up the full disk to remind you that a large northern hole is trailing by about 20 degrees longitudinally. Got some terrific plasma filaments, a high coronal view of the north in 193 angstroms and a 2-day spin in 171. Eyes open. No fear, it's 6:50 a.m. Eastern Time, and that's the news. Be safe, everyone.